Daryl here. The channel is Programming in Any Language. The supporting website is programminginanylanguage.com or blackdesktop.com. They both take you to the same place. And it's a place where you'll find the videos and PDFs of the code in most cases. The video is the Anything Database version 3 part 8, Clear the File. Clear is wiping out all data in memory and starting all over again. That's all there is to it. Therefore, the process to clear everything is simply clearing the list of all saved structures in the application. Again, thinking about the user, it is probably a good idea to ask them if they're sure they want to clear everything. Let's take a look. Well, we saw how to delete a record. Very straightforward. Sometimes you want to delete the entire file or clear the entire file so you can start with something new. And that's what this one's all about. We have that clear button sitting out of the file. So this is going to be the Anything Database version 3 part 8, clear. Take a look at our structure. Clear button is sitting right over here. It's very similar to the delete button. Not much there. There's clear. We're going to clear the list and display the record count. We don't even need to navigate here. We simply hit the clear button. It's going to wipe everything out away. Of course, it's dangerous. You don't want to clear it if you don't want to accidentally hit the button and have it all wiped away. You want to give some kind of results from there. In fact, let's go a little further into this. We want to basically clear the list, but we want to put in some cautionary things in here, the yes, no button, whatever, and we'll display the record count, which will be 0 when we're all done with this thing. That's all the straightforward what we're actually going to do. The code looks like this. It's button clear. As you can see, we don't have to worry if we're looking at a particular record or anything, so we don't need to check for that. But we're still putting in the message box. The yes, no message box is sitting in here. So if we click on no, label user message.text is going to be user cancel the clear operation. But if we have a yes in here, we're going to go to the anything list and clear it all. So .clear is going to wipe out the entire list. So all those structures sitting in there are going to be gone. We'll have nothing out there anymore. Our record count is going to be equal to 0, and we're going to set our record pointer to -1, so it's not pointing anything because we don't have anything to point to. Our PLN navigation visible is going to be false. We need to turn off navigation because there's no records to navigate. So it's kind of like coming back into a clean program again with nothing in it. We're going to clear text boxes so nothing's there. If there was anything there, they'll be gone. Probably isn't going to be anything there. And we're going to display the record count, which will be the 0. And our label user message will say database has been cleared. That's all we need to do to make this thing all happen. What are we using on the panel? Well, we are actually accessing everything here. Well, we're kind of looking at everything. It's still getting displayed. And our record count is going to be involved in this thing. The user message is going to be right in here, and our panel navigation is going to be right here. Actually, this is a misnomer. This is not going to be, we're not going to need any of this stuff. Well, yes, we are clearing it all. We're clearing all of these text boxes. That's why they're all stating there, because we are going out there. In case there's anything there, we want to wipe these things out. If there was nothing there, we really wouldn't have to access these things. But to be on the safe side, we don't know if they were just another operation and happened to leave something on the table. They were navigating. In fact, if they're navigating and they're sitting at record 2 and they hit clear, it's going to wipe everything away. But navigating, we actually show the record they were sitting on. So we do want to go in here and clear all the text boxes out of here. So primarily, this will be used by the clear routine, which we already have written. So we don't have to worry about that. We're just going to call it. Our record count is going to be showing here. I'll label user message will be here. Panel navigation is going to go off, and our clear button is the only thing we're actually going to use. So let's take a look at that code. If we go into our code, we're going to have to go to our form design here and actually go ahead and double click on the clear button. And that'll set that up, the hole for it right in here. And we can go to that clear button and go ahead and move the code in that we just looked at in the slide and bring it as part of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically set up the yes, no message box. Are you sure you want to clear the entire file? Basically, we'll ask the user. Give them the choice of either yes or no. If they say no, the user cancels the clear operation. If they say yes, anything list will get clear. This thing is going to do all the work. This guy right here wipes it all out. After that, we're simply doing some housekeeping. Our int record counter is going to be equal to 0. Our int record pointer is going to be equal to -1, so we're not pointing at anything. The navigation goes off. We clear our text boxes, display our record count, and we give the user a message that the database has been cleared. And that's all there is to it. Very straightforward, simple, and short. Let's go ahead and see if this works. I'll save it all. We'll run it. There's our panel. Remember, the last time we did this, we actually loaded something out there, and we had 4 records out there. Before we do any loading, let's just go ahead and hit the clear button. Are you sure you want to clear the entire file? It's letting me do that because if there's a structure there or not, it's still going to clear it. I'll say yes, and Database has been cleaned. So if there was anything there, it's gone. Hit clear again. This time we'll say no, and that works too. The user cancel the clear operation. This time let's put some data out there. Let's load the file. That gives us our 4 records. What are they? They're Daffy, Elmer, Tweety, and Foghorn. I'm going to sit at Foghorn right now and clear the file. Do I want to clear it? I'm saying no. Everything's untouched. Go backwards, Tweety, Elmer, Daffy, all just perfectly fine there. This time I'll say clear, and I'll hit yes. We'll clear the entire file. And bang, they're all gone. Navigation's gone. You can see where I cleared off our text boxes, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. Our number of records is 0, so this thing is empty. It's like a brand new file. We can't do any navigation whatsoever. We could add a record now and start actually from scratch here. I'll just put in it's just that. And our navigation comes on, and we'll go to our top record, and we just have a series of A's in there. That's all we have. Let's clear that. It's messy. There you go. So that's clear. Clearing the entire database, clearing the file in a nutshell.
Like delete, clear was pretty straightforward. Our next and last function will take some more thought though. Next we're going to look at search. Thanks for watching. Visit the website when you get a chance, and please subscribe to the channel. There's more stuff coming every week. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.